What's up, guys? I'm here at this Target. Gonna head on in. Wish me luck. Hopefully I find something good. I'll catch you guys inside. Later. Alright guys, so here I am in the Hot Wheels section. So let's take a look here. They have this really cool 5-packs and trucks. I already have this one. Looks like somebody returned it or something, because that looks very familiar. This is from like 2018. Yeah, looks like there's a bunch of returns. See, this one's another one from 2019, I believe. Very nice. I already have it. And they have these X-Racers. This one's new. This one's new. And here's another old one. This is a Fun Park. I already have it. I bought this one a while back ago because of that ice cream truck. It's really cool. And over here they have some of these city racers. Here's another oldie but goodie, the car meet. This one here, Night Burners, not bad. They have this Batman one as well. This one's also old. And they have this other one here. This is the action pack. Pretty cool. Let's see, this one here, bunch of fantasy castings. So this is the Street Beasts. As you can see, it's got different funny looking creature cars. So not my cup of tea. Let's see, let's take a look over here. Hopefully we find something good. So they have this one here, the Audi Spider. Good. We have this Camaro. I already have it. Let's see, this Dodge Charger 500. I already have it. We have another Audi. Oh no, this is the Lamborghini Centenario Roadster. Sorry. Looks very similar to the Audi. Let's see here. They have the Muscle Bound. Pretty cool. The custom motto. Here's the 70 Dodge Charger RT. They have the 64 Chevy Chevelle SS. Very cool. That's regular though. Here is the 17 Pagani Huayra Roadster. I already have it. Here's a Roger Dodger 2.0. These glow wheels. So these glow in the dark, guys. Pretty cool. Sure, kids get a kick out of that one. Alright guys, it doesn't look like I'm gonna find anything. They have a bunch of a combination of old cars and return cars. So this one, I don't know, there's something about it, but that I can't wrap my head around it. I just keep passing up on that one. This Monaco is very cool, but I already have it. This 19 Mercedes-Benz A-Class is really cool. I really dig that matte gray color. Very nice. I have this Grand Cross. So over here they have the 70 Chevelle SS from the Fast and Furious series. I already have it. Oops. I have this I Believe. I have this cool 2010 Toyota Tundra. So yeah guys, it looks like they have a bunch of old cars here, so I'm just gonna take a quick look under here, see if I could find any new ones. Yep, it doesn't look like it. See, this is another old one, this 57 Plymouth Fury. So let's move on to the premium section. I already have this one actually. I'm gonna leave it. So they have the Flying Customs. I already have all of these. Did a video on that. You guys check it out. Yep, looks like they have a full set. And over here on the premiums, yeah, these are peg warmers. These power trips, they have full sets. You know, people are leaving them behind. Hopefully they put them on clearance so that I could pick some up and do some wheel swaps. This is what I'm talking about. This one I did not have. This Lamborghini Aventador Coupe. Definitely picking this one up. And they have this BMW M3 E46. Definitely taking that one up. Down here they have these custom 72 Chevy Love. They have this Austin Martin B5. Pretty cool. Alright guys, so over here they just have a bunch of Disney cars, some color shifters. I really like the deco on these marble cars. Pretty cool. There's this guy here, the Taskmaster. This is the Black Widow. And another one. And over here they have some Street Fighter cars. Pretty cool. They have a bunch of repeats on the Mr. Incredible. As you can see, there's another one up there. And here is Miss Marvel. Here is Falcon. And here's another Taskmaster. Black Widow. This Falcon car is pretty cool. It kind of looks like a Batmobile, you know, one of the many Batmobiles that Batman has. It's kind of cool actually. And yeah, here's another Miss Marvel. Alright guys, I'm gonna put these back, see what else we find. Alright, over here, yeah, they have some of these Captain Hook Disney cars. They have two. Then they have this Timon. Over here they have the Super Rigs. Yeah, they're all repeats. Yeah guys, again, I don't know very much about these Super Rigs. You know, if you guys know of any chases or anything like that, please let me know in the comments. I would greatly appreciate it. Here we have the custom Corvette Stingray, which I already have. Looks like somebody was trying to steal it. See, don't do that guys. No no bueno, man. And here's another one, the Mazda 787B Sakura Sprinter. Really cool. And here they just have a bunch of Ninja Turtles monster trucks from Hot Wheels. And here are some other ones. Scorpedo, the Radical Racer. There's another Scorpedo. They have this twin mill. Let's see here. That Radical Racer is pretty cool. There's a snake bite. Put this back, guys. We have these monster trucks. Alright guys, gonna hurry up because there's people coming here, so let's see. Ooh, check out these Majorette. Pretty cool. Definitely taking this one. And they have this Mustang. Pretty cool. They have this Jeep. Not bad. And here is the Rally Racer. Somebody left a comment yesterday and they highly suggested for me to pick it up, so I'm gonna take it. Let's see, they have this one here. Ooh, look at this one guys, the Nissan GTR in that nice Spectra Flame color. Pretty cool. Definitely taking that one. Then they have this one, this Porsche 911 Carrera S. What do you think guys? Pretty cool, huh? It's got the surfboard up there. Interesting. Yeah, I'm gonna leave that one for now. And here they just have, you know, the same Jada Toys Big Muscle Cars that I've showed you before. Tech deck. Oh, cool. Check this out, guys. They have these new tech deck in these new little containers. Pretty cool. So yeah, I don't know anything about these either. I'm pretty sure you tech deck collectors out there know a lot more. I'm sure there are chases and stuff like that, but I don't collect this stuff. Let's see. Let's put this one back. That Porsche is really, really cool, actually. I'm having second thoughts. Yeah, maybe I should take it. I might regret it. So yeah, I'm leaving behind the Jeep and the Mustang. Sorry, Mustang Hunter. You know, it's cool, but I don't know. Let's see what else they have. Yep, that is pretty much it, guys. So alright, guys, so this is what I'm taking. I'm taking this Porsche. I'm taking this Nissan GTR. I'm taking this Rally Racer. Pretty cool. I wish they had that other one. It's pretty cool. And I'm taking this one here. And I'm taking these two right here. Alright, guys, so that is my haul for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give me a big thumbs up. If you like the video, please share my content, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care and God bless.